Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we would be talking about one of the cheapest makeup palettes that's available on Amazon. And because I would be doing my makeup on camera, that's why I'm starting off with a bare face. So before getting into the actual makeup part, let's discuss a few things about the palette. So the palette I have is from ADS Makeup and this is how it looks. It came nicely packed in a bubble wrap and I have just opened it yet. I haven't swatched any of the shades. I would be swatching it live in the camera. So let's open it up. Okay. So this is how the palette looks like. I haven't tried any of such makeup palettes in a long time. I used to do it when I just started off doing my makeup, and can be a very good and affordable option for girls who are just getting into makeup and cannot afford very high-end or like costly brands. So let's get into the packaging first. So this is how the colors look like. So it's a triple layered actually. If you open it, it looks like this. These two are the blushes and all of these are the eyeshadow palettes. Then we have one layer which you can open. When you'll open it, you can see two powders, and the third row some lip colors. It's some lip colors and it came with a sponge as well. So it does have everything that a starter might need. But I don't think that this brush can be useful for anyone, being the starter or anyone who knows or does not know makeup. Now before discussing about the quality and everything, let's first try and just swatch them and try them on the face. I have a completely bare face with a little bit of lip balm and a face primer, because I wanted to give this palette a full shot. As you can clearly see, there's a difference between the color of my face and my neck. So let's see how does the compact work. These are the two compact powders which are given in the palette. They both actually look the same to me, so I'm not sure which one will I go for, but I would try this sponge given in the palette and just dab it in the darker shade. It also comes with a little mirror, which is always helpful. I'm not sure how should I use it to hide my dark circles and my pimple marks. Let's see. It doesn't smell good and it's certainly not my shade. I'll try this on my neck as well. I'm not fond of these sponge applicators. I like applying my powders with brushes. So I guess this is it. It does not give any sort of coverage. I'll try and dab it on my eyes as well. Okay, so that's how it looks after one coat, and I'm not willing to try another coat of this. So that's it for the powder. Now this is how the eyeshadows and the blushes look. Now, as of course the brush given with it is of no certain use, so I would be using my own brush to apply the blushes. Now because I'm wearing red, I would just go and try this red color on my cheeks. Let's see how does it work. My brush is too big for the pan. Let's see. Oh, it's very pigmented. The color is really pigmented. I'm applying it with a very light hand because I do not want to look like a clown. Okay. The color is good and it looks decently well. The pigmentation is good. The smell is not that good, but it will work. It's not that bad, it would work. Now getting into the eyeshadows, I'm not sure which color would I like to try, but I do like the fact that it does have some neutral colors so that I can try it in my crease, but I would certainly go for a colorful look. And again, because it does not have the applicator, I would be using my own eye brush. The brush I usually go for my eyeshadow is this PAC 0331, and to be honest, I usually use this not only for blending, but I apply my eyelid color also with this, because it's easy to use just one brush if you're in a hurry. So okay, let's start. Let's for the eyes, let's zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so you can see the coverage, which is not too good. The blush color is fine, but the coverage, you can see my marks and all. But you can say if you're a beginner and this is just for everyday wear, so you should feel confident in your skin. And this seems to work decently. Okay, let's start using the colors. For my overall lid color, I would use this one. There is not much fallout. And there is no pigment as well. The pigment is not coming out with the brush. I'll just try my fingers. See, it's not pigmented at all. The darker shade, which is this one, is still pigmented, but this does not really work. I am done with the brush. I'm not using a brush. I'll just use my fingers to just play with the colorful shadows. The colors are not pigmented. I really want this palette to work, but it's certainly not working for me. Now I'll just do this eye completely with my finger and then we'll come back to the lips. Okay, so this is the one this eye is the one I tried doing with a wet brush, and this is what I did with my fingers. So the dry brush is not working for it. The pigmentation is really bad, and even with the fingers it's not working good. I haven't tried all the colors on my lids because I was just done with the blue and the purple and a little bit of brown, but I would like to swatch the other colors. So the green, can you even see the colors? Very chalky and completely non-visible. So for me the blush was good, so the eyeshadows are a fail. Now let's just try the lip colors. So the palette has 4 lip colors, and I think I would go for the red one. I'll just use my own brush to do this. This is how the lip color looks. The color is pretty and it is pigmented. The color is actually orange. This is how the lip color looks. The shade is not very flattering and it is not even opaque. It's a very glossy texture, but the colors does look good. And I'll just try and swatch all the 4 colors. These are the 4 lip colors that are given in the palette. The colors are beautiful, but the quantity is really less. As you can see, I tried swatching the purple one and it has already hit the pan. Now I'll just quickly do my mascara and would be back with my final thoughts on this palette. So for my final thoughts, this palette retails for 149 rupees, and with the delivery charge of 40 rupees, you can get this for 189 rupees. But is it really worth even 189? For me, it's a complete no. Whether you're a beginner or you are a pro in makeup, this is not something that I would recommend. The quality of the blush is still okay, but the eyeshadows you're getting, the compact powder you're getting, and even the lipsticks you're getting are not good quality, and this is not worth the price. You have seen my bare face and now you've seen a sort of full face of makeup, and I personally honestly cannot find any difference between the two apart from blotchy lipstick and not so appealing eyeshadows. As far as the details are concerned, the ingredient list is given on the back of the box. For me, this ADS palette is a no. even if you do not have a budget to buy a very fancy makeup products, you can just go for a simple colossal mascara and a Maybelline lipstick. That would be good enough for you. And something like this, just try and avoid buying. So that's it for today's video. If you like such videos and would like me to do more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Namaste.